Open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to edit. Drag this video to the timeline and play it. You can see the video is in normal format. We will convert it to 4K quality. Now go to the Effects tab and search for Sharpen or Smart Sharpen. Drag and drop this effect on to the video. You can apply this effect on whole clip or any part of the clip. On top of right side, the features of effect are available. You can set them as per your desire. For 4K quality, set the value of sharpen to 30, range to 50, filters to 55, and blur to 30. Preview the video and check the results. If you are satisfied, then click on the export button on top right corner, set its resolution to 4K and export it.